Today's tutorial will show you how to create a calculated metric out of two base metrics. In this example, we'll use food revenue and food costs to create a calculated metric for gross margin. So let's click the plus sign here and create our calculated metric. We'll start entering the formula. The formula for gross margin will be food revenue minus food costs, all of that in parentheses, and then divided by food revenue again. You'll see that the formula is being calculated on the fly. And then once we've got it, let's turn that into a percentage, of course. And for this metric, trending up is positive. Last but not least, we'll give the metric a name. And it's always a good idea to give it a good description. Descriptions can always be found at Metric HQ. And that's it. We've got a beautiful calculated metric.